Hey, shut up, people shut up. Hey, wait. Hello?
Group ang gonna handle. It's a shut up.
No, sorry, I'm not school.
You're not at school. School no get it.
Nekede.
What year came?
I'm ND1.
You're not at school. Shut up. Can't send that.
No, all my classmates come and say shut up.
With me, bring. Hey, get a kitty in me. Get a kitty. Come closer. We mean we have got drinking in me. Eh? You were image me. Get Bianca.
No. Who me?
Send the request.
I joined your live yesterday. I'm joining the live yesterday. Give him Nambiata.
In a church.
I'm joining your live.
You know year one.
Yes. No, I'm sorry.
When you go school fees. What level can on a school?
ND1.
Man in a school fees. Came in the finish school before getting loads. It therefore
24.
Is Jacka school?
Yes.
Get a can now.
Na supermarket.
Which supermarket?
A&B supermarket. On around school level.
But so Jacka school fees.
Yes.
Oh, you're not school fees. One of your friends' phone.
Oh, hey, Helen! Anika Bella! Beatubiko.
Come. Hey, come here, head in a wall. Come here, head in a wall school now. Two fees go away, go left.
74,000.
Elemwe Korea.
School fees in October.
Egole kana put now.
Is it 50,000?
50,000. Then I put it before.
74,000 for a year now.
Okay. All right. Then he get me I got my making interview. Okay, my moderator. Okay. That's it. I got my trade this short in our school. Okay, me obi na iweke. E me obi na iweke.
Uniform.
Who wear school uniform?
Look at my department. Okay.
I get that departmental girl.
Mama, I'm a cook. I look at her.
What my card number? Can go school fees also. What my card number?
81 48 59 70 75.
Which bank?
Ope.
Nna Godendo.
Mba. Ọ nwụrụ mgbe m nọ 3 years. Mpa m nwụrụ mgbe m nọ 3 years old.
Mgbe ị nọ 3 years, mma gị kwado ebe ka ọ nọ?
Ọ nọ n'ụmụahịa, ahụ adịghị ya. So, o nwere diabetes, so she's not capable at the moment.
Ele aha gị?
Nwankwochi na-aza Favour.
Achọ nke ga school, forget about man now. Ga school, focus for. In a run to get the quite careful and stop. You're in a jump around. You're in here, but some can amassage come more down. School in a go, school in a Ghana, school no more graduate. Hello? Please, I'll call you back. Now, get it. Number or your number.
My WhatsApp number.
But you would have not called it now. People get up a man, they got deceive.
No, my WhatsApp number, but the SIM card on my phone.
Don't insert it. Don't use it. People got to stop wagging. I will send you money. You know, I'm get send go for school fees or ega also. No, make sure you school fees also ega and I want to talk proof on the Korea. You understand? But take for this open number 8148597075, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now get it. No matter what it is, anybody trying here you try. But I don't care school, focus on your school. God will.
Only see power. Only see you before.
Yeah, I drew message before. Here my moderator. God will.
Okay.
Only see.
Behind school fees go
74,000.
God will send there 100,000 naira.
Okay, what account number again?
Ne, boy, I can number.
81.
1 minute, 1 minute. Check out what you engage in. 81
48
48
59
59
70
70
75.
75 81
Okay.
81 48 59 70 75.
Yes, sir.
Open.
Yes.
For there.
One watching as a favor.
Okay, you do it. You get what you're not getting now. Only see power.
Thank you.
Yeah, God will marry our sharp, okay?
Okay, so give me ya. You confirm more. You follow.
Yeah, they follow ya so that you follow the this guy not here now.
Okay, follow la me.
You confirm more. What need you confirm again?
Dalu sa chuku gozi.
God will marry now before be put to ya. Now I'll get send 100,000. I want you to calm down. I want you to see the determine a gas school. And when you get married, I swear to Almighty God. For now, you want a friend, not student. You want a man this serious. Way good man now, brother. Truly, get calm or down. Go your school focus. School now here no na more garia. Or a very difficult school then when grade school. Do you understand? So calm or down. And not yeah, henga ragide, woke ragide. Yeah, was sage. Meet another person. So focus on one thing. Did this target teaching? You cannot ye one. I will not interview you. I can make an interview. I chomke hari were because of condition or naga no ya or in that town is only then get joy me, you know, calm or down. That is it. And away you get now or mad you go. Give where I got what properties, what we funds, what no. Focus you will receive now. Channel it and keep it for your education. In an end,
Yes, sir.
In an end,
Yes, sir.
I'm Igbo. I'm talking about your village. I told Emonya before.
But TikTok community.
Okay, that's it. Talk about home. And when problem, when my family members need help. So okay, how do you feel now? Even my friends need help. I overlook them, I ignore them. But I'm here metro music can give you 100,000. Now I want you to be focused with your school. When you're sitting at school now, it's a lie. As a woman, in my girls' school, and one additional thing I add with what you would do. Eh? You know walk on a hotel can
Supermarket.
Supermarket. It's a supermarket again.
Oh, I'm being on email school ever.
Oh, yeah, your account number. People will send money to you now. Your account number. See, I want you. Listen, OPay the too small. You receive you go with another now, and I'm not joking. Life in or whole life for MC Bishop. OPay the too small. Just pour account number. Ego will another. My sister, Ejim Chineke Yoge. Soles Dalo. Ego will another. Ejim Chineke Yoge ne. were ego ahụ kwụọ mee ihe ọbụla gbasara your education ka ị ga-akwụcha ga-agụcha. And I'm not joking. Opportunity where you might not have it again. You might not have it again. And I'm not joking. Here all about books. Anything with a Ghana further. In an end,
Yes,
or
sir.
your main account number.
My open no receive any amount.
Any amount. Okay, guys, let's go. Or your open.
81.
Hold on. On your wall, I got my inbox today. Because of him and this lady, I will block you. And I'm gonna block blocking. Gani runne.
81 48 59 70 75.
Go ahead.
Ope one question as a favor. 81.
Hold on. God will check NDC your to take account now. What account here? Go ahead that account. I'm gonna block this man now.
81 48 59 70 75.
Onye ọwụla onye Igbo gara tige account na wo account to this girl maka Chineke ihe dakwasịrị nwa ga-adakwasị gị. Ahụhụ ọwụla nwa na-ata ụmụ gị ga-ata dị ahụ. Na-ekpọ dị account again. Gị kwa aha nọ dị a.
81 48 59 70 75. Ope one question as a favor. Thank you, sir. Chineke gozie gị.
Chineke aga agọzi m. Listen. Chineke aga agọzi m. Ihe m gwara gị na ya ọ na ị nwere enyi nwoke kansụl ya okwa gị were ego a na-aga ịga gị na-eri we jụwa ihe ọ chọrọ. Ya ọ na-eyi ga enyi nwoke na school presently na otu nọ na kansụl ya. Were ego a na ma ị maghị ka esi save ego na were ego a focus on your study. Ga chọọ bank mepe bank tinye ego a na ị ga-receive. Ya ọ gbasara your education nne. It is for your study.
Thank you, sir.
You only been at school, inside school. Continue only be inside school now. Don't relocate outside school.
Ebi mo inside school.
You be outside school. Give one jacket go outside school. Give when you go lucky. Let me tell you, I'm a man who I swear to Almighty. After 1 month to with your age 20 something, ejikwem ga-akpọrọ anything mamra ega na gekwente nwekwe ihe nwoke ga-enye gị na oge ị ga-eji ega na were ahụ that na gatara school gị. People are going to send you money and it is an open door for you today for you to get your education. Whatever you are doing, let me tell you, your father is watching. So check your account. Check your account. What your account number?
I'm querying the account number.
Yeah.
81 48 59 70 75. One question as a favor.
Anybody never now watch him. Anybody wo Igbo never. Ndị Ụmụahịa, ndị Enugu, ndị nọ niile, ndị Abia State, ndị Anambra, ndị Imo State, ndị Ebonyi, ndị Delta Igbo. Nwoke ọwụla ma nwaanyị ọwụla contribute through to this lady's education. Na-enweghị nna. Ana m asị n'ụbọchị taa, your children, whatever it is that they are using, ihe ọwụla wo ihe ụmụ unu na-eyuzu, ọwụ phone, ọwụ akwụkwọ, ihe ọ sọrọ ya wụrụ, ha ga-ahụta helper na that thing ha na-eyuzu. Mene ya mee nọ ya. Anywhere ọ sọrọ gị nọrọ, ha ga-ahụta onye inye aka. Nwa ọwụla nọ mba ofesi na-enwebe onye inye aka ọwụla ọhụrụ. Ị ga-ahụta onye inye aka right from today henceforth. Whether you like it or not. Ọwụ gị banye ekpere, ọ bụghị n'aha Jizọs, ọwụ n'aha gị nwa mụ na gị abụọ ka anyị ga-eji mee ya. Nna kwe na ihe na-agwa gị. Ya ọ na-iwe onye pingin. Buru ya n'obi na inidiri na ị ga-awụkwa for pingin. Please go your school. Go your school. Go your school. Nsege gịnị? Go your school.
Go
Nsege gịnị?
to your school.
It's all goes to gịnị?
Go to your school.
Gịnị ka ego ga?
Public administration.
What is public admin?
Public administration can be defined as a system whereby people people are taught on how to face the public and also government policies.
Ibalekla. I want you to please do it for me. Huh? Do it for me. Prove to me that there was a day you came to MC's life. Your life changed. Are you getting me? Therefore, that your father is not alive, you don't have to disappoint us. This is just like where you go to church. Pastors give you scholarship. You understand? This is a scholarship to you. So I want
Thank
you
you, sir.
the best in all you are doing. Watch your gift. People are still gifting you. So I want you to put mind in your school. Happy man. More na auto. Anamara wine. You got that? Why you will love? I love all I'm here. You got that? So engineer wagiana utain on now. Believe me. When we call I got taking it serious now. Focus. Give one come now. Give one the guy na. Give one come the guy na. What utain on them hogage. When we can take it serious now, get one. So when call all this serious with me till you go and pay your bride price and help you more, not to run like auto. Huh? Not to run like auto. I'm not joking. You a destiny child, so make yourself available with your school, your study. No?
Dalunu, Onweya, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you, sir.
Take your account, please.
Okay.
Godwin, you may go the transfer.
Onye isi power. Onye isi
You may go the transfer.
Yeah, done. I can check. I could take. Yeah, I got 400,000, 100,000, 200 and something. Let's say 100,000, sure.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you, sir. I'm on 385,000.
385,000. I hope you none of your fellow students is there with you, Abby.
No. Anna Chana.
Everything in here should be only within yourself. That OP is not safe. While I may part of that account, just like a bank account, to withdraw, go and put it to that bank account. And
Yes,
be a
sir.
good saver. Oh, focus on your education.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you, sir.